What is an activist investor? An activist investor is an investor who buys a large number of shares in a company to influence how the company is managed. In simple words, an activist investor is a shareholder who tries to change a company's decisions to improve its performance or increase its value. Unlike regular investors who only earn profits from price changes, activist investors actively participate in company management matters. They may suggest changes in business strategy, leadership, operations, or financial policies. Activist investors usually invest significant money to gain voting power in the company. With this voting power, they can influence major decisions during shareholder meetings. Common actions taken by activist investors include requesting cost reductions, selling underperforming divisions, improving corporate governance, or replacing company executives. For example, an activist investor may believe a company is poorly managed and push for new leadership to increase profits. Sometimes activist investors work privately with management. Other times, they publicly campaign to gain support from other shareholders. This public effort is often called a proxy battle. Activist investors aim to increase shareholder value. If the company improves, the stock price may rise, benefiting all shareholders. However, critics argue that some activist investors focus on short-term profits rather than long-term growth. Activist investing is common in large public companies where ownership is divided among many shareholders. In simple terms, an activist investor is a shareholder who actively pushes for changes to improve a company. Easy way to remember: activist investor means an investor who takes action, not just ownership.